For one of my research projects in Cambodia, we were doing a large-scale randomized control trial um, intervention this summer. And as part of that, we are going to have some Cambodian staff members go out and canvass 6,000 businesses in the Phnom Penh region. As they're going out, they're going to be doing GPS drops for each location they visit, just to show evidence that they've gone there. And they're also going to take pictures of the location. And I just wondered, um, how easy would it be for them to fake the pictures and not actually do the work if they used AI? And so I used Mindstudio to create an app that could do this faking. Of course, I won't use this for anything, but um, could they use it to fake locations? So really, let me pull this in. It's extremely simple. We ask for some user input. The user input, I ask them for the industry, the business type they want, and then the location. And then I generate an image. I was generating images with Amazon's really affordable image generator, and it did horribly. It was just, ah. Um, it was a model from 2024, is what is in my studio. So then I upgraded to the Gemini 3 Pro image, and it takes quite a while to run, but the couple that I've run has given a really good high quality. So I'll show you what this looks like. So right here, they select the micro enterprise type. Um, let's select cosmetic vendor, and then the city of interest. We're going to say we're going for the big city, Phnom Penh. I'm going to click next. Now it is going to generate an image. It'll take a while. After it's done, it will show that image. But I'm going to pause it here because it does take a minute for this to generate. Okay, it took for about 2 minutes to generate this image. But here is a cosmetic store, and it is supposedly Phnom Penh. However, I was hoping that it would have. So what I did in the AI agent is I said make it look like what it would look like from that given city in Street View, Google Street View, and I was hoping that it would go. I'm sure I could connect to the Google Maps API and have it drill in for a location. But with the limited funds we have and connections, I didn't do that. Um, what it's mocked up here, so it is kind of cool. It looks like it came from Street View, right? It's got this here and this here. It looks like it's a Street View capture. Even made a person and fuzzed out her face. This is a fictitious image. This is not a real vendor. Um, but you'll see that these streets are dirt. The buildings are shorter buildings, not very tall, kind of run down look. One thing that makes it very much look like it's AI generated is each of these motorbikes is put here in the same style. Just they're all like the same motorbike. They all look really nice. The handlebars are tilted the same direction. You wouldn't see that in Cambodia. And here's another one of these motorbikes, right? Um, and down the street, there's another motorbike. It looks like it's the same variety. So, yes, that's an indicator that it is AI generated. But one thing that didn't do well at is this dirt. You don't see dirt roads like this in Phnom Penh very much. This was when I asked it to do CM Reap, which you might see the more dirt roads. Um, but yeah, this one here is supposed to be Phnom Penh. It didn't do a great job because it didn't translate my intent into delivery. Anyways, just a fun little app I created.